Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where we bring you to the best in home design and decor. Today we are diving into the heart of the home, the kitchen. Specifically, we will explore the world of modular kitchen design ideas to transform your cooking space into a stylish and functional heaven. Whether you are a seasoned chef or a casual cook, these ideas will cater to your taste quite literally. So let's jump right in. Before we dive into the design ideas, let's briefly understand what modular kitchen are. A modular kitchen is a contemporary and efficient design approach. A modular kitchen is a contemporary and efficient design approach that utilizes pre-made cabinets models to create a functional and organized cooking space. Now let's move on the exciting part, design inspiration. One of the key benefits of modular kitchen is the amp storage they provide, being by incorporating pull-out cabinets and drawers for easy accessibility. Consider installing tall pantry units to maximize vertical space and keep your ingredients neatly organized. Spices rack, pull out trays, and corner consoles additions that make the most of every nook and cranny. Color play a pivotal role in setting the tone for your kitchen. Opt for a natural base such as white, gray, or beige to create a timeless and elegant look. Infuse pops of colors, thoughts, accessories, backsplash tiles, or even vibrant cabinets doors for a modern and lovely touch. Remember, a wall thought out color scheme can elevate the entire aesthetic of your kitchen. Consider your kitchen layout as the canvas for your design masterpiece. The L shape, U shape, and parallel kitchen layout are popular choice for modular kitchen. The layout to your space ensuring a seamless flow between the cooking, preparing, and washing zone. A thoughtful layout enhances both functionality and aesthetics. Bring your kitchen into the 21st centuries by integrating smart appliances from touch control cooktops to Wi-Fi enabled refrigerators. These additions not only make your kitchen more efficient but also legends and futures appeal. Imagine controlling your oven with a simple voice command or receiving alert on your smartphone when the fridge door is left ajar. Innovation that make daily tasks a breezy. The backsplash is the unsung hero of kitchen design. Experiment with materials like subways, tiles, mosaic patterns, or even mirrored surface. For a touch of glamour, a well-chosen backsplash not only protect your walls but also serve as a focal point trying to gather the entire kitchen aesthetics. Proper lighting can make or break a kitchen atmosphere. Blend task lighting, ambient lighting, and accent lighting for a well light and inviting space. Pendant lighting above the kitchen island, under cabinet LED strips, and receded ceiling lights are excellent choice to create a harmonious balance. Make your kitchen uniquely your by adding personal touch. Display your favorite cookbooks. Incorporate open shelving for showcasing style, crockery, or hang artwork that resonate with your task. These small details infuse personality into your modular kitchen, making it a reflection of your style. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to modular kitchen and design ideas that cater to both style or functionality. Remember, a well designed kitchen is not just a place to cook, it's a space where moments are created and shared. So go ahead, explore these ideas and turn your kitchen into the heart of your home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more home design inspiration.